Yo, what's up? Dylan here. So this is simulacra, and it's a tool that lets you run social experiments without humans. So, like I say here, it lets you build custom simulations with powerful AI agents, so that you can get the info you need when you need it. And so here, I kind of have like what's going on. It's like single agent sims. Run a single agent with the task of maximizing return, and it's kind of like iterating on itself. Then you also have double agent sims, which is like context dependent, like a conversation basically between two agents, two actors. And then there's more complex ones where they have longer term memory and they can simulate basically larger scale interactions, right? So here I have let me show you guys a demo. So I actually this is my first time using using this platform to build apps with Python, and it's been pretty fun so far. So this is like basically what I'm doing here is I'm simulating the AISF hackathon with agents, right? So the first one is basically very simple. Like the first agent is very simple. It literally just has a reward. You give it a reward and an observation every time, every loop, and then it iterates on itself. Like basically it truncates differently every single iteration so that it can get a better reward next time, and depending also on the observation that you pass it, right? So it's very simple here. Like literally it's already complete after like one action, when it already feels like it maximized its own reward, and it doesn't output any text. But this simple double agent simulation actually is playing here. It's like two more advanced agents to simulate collaborative conversation. So I use the role playing framework for this. So one of them is a hackathon participant, and the other agent is a hackathon organizer. And so as you can see here, it's like this is the assistant role, yeah, hackathon participant, use the role name, and here these are just the params that I set in the code, right? And then here it's like the specified task. Design and develop an AI-powered virtual assistant for the event website. This is actually, I didn't even write this because I told the prompt I gave was okay. Yeah, see, it's already saying hackathon. It's like I was like, yeah, try to come up with and execute the best AI hackathon idea, and I basically abstracted myself and made myself into an AI by making myself the AI hackathon organizer. So I'm basically automated. I automated myself basically by kind of prompting it as I go. So instead of me kind of like, normally like ChatGPT or something, like you're asking it and then or it responds, and then you're like, okay, wait, can you change it to this to be like this? And then it's like you iterate manually, right? But here it's like, okay, I basically made myself an AI, an agent, and now it's like it's doing it on its own, and it's pretty interesting. It's pretty cool to see, right? So it's like you can if you I mean this loops on until like they feel like they're done, right? So it's basically like they're implementing here this weird like fire-based cloud messaging. Like they're like doing some crazy stuff, and so I basically wanted to simulate. This is like the demo, right? It's like AISF, except they're agents, right? So that's what I shipped. I hope you guys like it. I think it's pretty cool. First time working with agents, and it's been a lot of fun. So thank you guys for also hosting the hackathon. See you guys.